Hey guys, how's it going? So I'm actually selling my tablet. It's a Microsoft Surface 3. Sorry, no, that's not right. All right, let me try again. Yo, what's up? Let me act like an actor real quick, like a tech salesman. Yo, so check this out. I got a Microsoft Surface 3, 8 gigabytes, no LTE. Who needs that? You got a cell phone. Give it up. Oh my god, look, check it out. It comes with a keyboard. Yo, the type cover comes with it. Yo, this is $500 and this is like $130, but I'm doing them both for a bundle deal. Seems to forget it for something, but maybe I should have wrote it down. Oh wait, you get the utensil too. Woo!
My name's Robert Tyler Class. Thank you so much for your time. I really do appreciate it. Donations can be made to $Homeless Hope or Tunnel 2 Towers. And thank you so much. I appreciate you. God bless you and I love you.
Share your ideas and change the world. Please like and share. Thanks.
Okay.